Hi, hello, welcome to my channel guys. So it has been a long gap. I didn't have posted any video, right? I think it's around 1 month. I took a small gap due to my exams. But now I will post the videos as regular as before. So keep supporting me guys. Let's talk about the last video guys. That is the SQL injection. In that video we have covered all the basic parts and we have know that what is the SQL injection, right? So in this video we will see how the SQL injection attack performs, and also I will provide the few malicious SQL statements which are used by hackers. It will be very interesting. Watch this video till the end guys. SQL injection is an injection attack where an hacker uses malicious SQL statements to fetch the data from the database. If you watched my last video, then you would be understanding what I mean. So if you don't understand what I mean, so don't worry guys, I will provide link in the description box, just have a look. So now we will see how the attack performs, but at one condition. This video is only for education purpose. To perform SQL injection attack, we will use a lab, and that lab name called DVWA. That lab has a variety kind of vulnerabilities which shows us the vulnerabilities as well as it shows us how to perform an attack also. So let's open the lab guys. So this is the lab guys, that is the DVWA. You can see here. At first thing I will change the security to low because I want to show from the basic one, and click here submit. So I will open here SQL injection. So you can see here user ID, right? So as the first thing we know that SQL injection is an attack. It gives the data from the database from the login pages, right? As we learned before also. So just assume that it is a login page where it asks the login ID and the password. So here password is not there. Just assume that user ID. So just type here 1 and click here submit. So by typing here 1, it gives some information, that is the first name and surname. So this is the first name and surname of the user ID is 1. As the same thing I will type here 2. So again he will give some information like first name and surname, but I want all the first names and surnames which are saved in the database. Is it possible? Yeah guys, it is definitely possible by using this attack. So as I mentioned before, by using a few SQL statements we can fetch the data, right? So here I will use a SQL statement which will give the all the data from the database. So this is the basic one. Here I will type the SQL statement. So this is the normal basic statement which gives the data, and click here submit. So you can see here, right? So first name, surname and all the data which are saved in the database we have grabbed, right? So this is the one kind of basic one in the SQL injection type. Now we will go little higher to know about this, like a username and ID, password. So just we will fetch the data from the database. So before knowing that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel guys and add a like button and share this video. So now we will see the another statement, that is so after clicking the submit, you can see here everything, first name, password, username, everything. Just we have grabbed the data from the database. So this is the SQL injection guys. So as I mentioned before, this video is only for education purpose. If you face any kind of problem to understand this attack, so just comment below guys. So I will help you to rectify your problems in better way. So that's it guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, add a like button and share this video guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. And finally, see you in the next video.